Hi everyone, welcome to Tony of All Trades. I'm very excited to talk about a new venture that I've been working on. I've been planning on this for over 2 years now. First of all, I'm a creative person. I like to make stuff. And I also like to write, but it takes time, leisure time, to write anything really. And in my last video, I was talking about the Meta Light Curry glasses. I mentioned that I've been working on a big project, and which will allow me to have more time to be creative. In a few months, I'm going to make a video about this mysterious project. Slowly, I've been making crossword puzzle books, and so far I have created 4 books. And the first one is a gardening. Second one, aviation. And third one is a vintage technology. And the fourth one, I'm going to let Hercules to present it to you. Hello everyone. So the fourth book is the Pomeranian crossword puzzle book. This is just for Hercules and for you guys, obviously. And let's take a closer look at all 4 of them. Bye. I've spent a lot of time on each book, from the front and back cover to each individual crossword puzzle, from research for interesting trivia to come up with cute clip arts for each page for the Pomeranian book. I had a lot of fun working on these books, and I have so many ideas of all kinds of books that I want to make. Obviously, I'll make videos as I publish them. Speaking of publishing, I'm very happy to announce that they are available on Amazon for $9.99. These are a labor of love, and creating them has been a joy and learning experience from start to finish, and I've included fun facts into every book. Whether you are a lifelong fan of the Pomeranian, or looking for a perfect gift for someone who's into aviation, or an avid gardener who just wants to take a break from pruning your plants and do some crossword puzzles, I hope you'll have as much fun solving these puzzles and reading the interesting trivia as I had making them. You can grab a copy on Amazon right now. I'll put the links down below. And I'm still going to make a lot more different kind of books, so check them out on my blog. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Take care.